Sa activity center.
Walang absent.
Yeah, I sang the theme song,
Believing in me.
Believing in Me of Gabay Guro. And the reason why I'm here is because I like the inspiration that it has given me. Kasi yung kinukwento sa akin ni Michelle na, kukuha kami nagbibigay kami ng scholarship sa yung mga underprivileged na mga tao. And then, ang pinapa-take up nila is education. Na, by the way, parang konti na lang yung kumukuha. So, to make a long story short, kumukonti yung mga teachers sa bansa, and then a lot of them would go out of the country pa to be something else. So, I got very inspired when I found out na yun yung core ng Gabay Guro, to give them yun nga, scholarship. And then, meron silang 2 years, parang 2 years ba? Parang 2 years to teach here or kung saang probinsya sila galing, and then they can do whatever they want with their lives. But normally, no, they stay, no? Because they love what they do. And yung teacher, nahahambing ko sa nanay, hindi ko alam bakit. Kasi parang, well, first of all, yung mga nanay natin, yun ang unang-unang teachers natin, di ba? So, yung they give everything without really expecting anything in return. So, parang feeling ko mga nanay na natin yung mga guro o mga tatay na natin yung mga guro. And being a mom, you know, you always worry for, you know, the safety and the welfare of your children. Na-realize ko na them going to, or Nate going to school, kalahati ng buhay na yun, di ba? So, yung mga teachers, talagang second, na nila, parents na nila, di ba? Parang another pair or another set of, parents that they have. Kasi kalahati ng buhay nila, iginugugol nila sa eskwela. So, the role of a teacher is very important sa paglaki ng mga anak natin. And